Ever wonder why your water filtration system isn't performing like it used to? The secret often lies in the heart of the system, the UV lamp. The VIQUA 600-2805 is the genuine OEM replacement lamp designed specifically for VIQUA D4, D4+, and D4 premium ultraviolet water systems. Using this exact replacement guarantees your water stays clean, clear, and safe to drink. I've seen firsthand how swapping out an old UV lamp for the VIQUA 600-2805 transforms water quality. After about a year, the UV light's effectiveness fades, and it no longer neutralizes contaminants properly. That's where this replacement comes in. It's engineered to fit perfectly and restore your system's full power. Plus, it comes with straightforward installation instructions, so you don't have to be a pro to get it done right. What changes when you replace your lamp? You'll notice your water tastes better, looks clearer, and feels safer. Customers across the U.S. report a real difference, especially those dealing with well water issues. They highlight the lamp's reliability and value, praising how it keeps their water crystal clear without any hassle. Safety is crucial, too. Remember, never look directly at the UV lamp when it's powered on. Following the instructions not only protects your eyes and skin but also ensures the lamp works as intended. This genuine VIQUA part is built to meet strict quality standards, so you get peace of mind with every replacement. If you're serious about maintaining your VIQUA D4 system's performance, this annual lamp change isn't just recommended, it's essential. Don't settle for generic alternatives that might not fit or last. The 600-2805 replacement lamp delivers exactly what you need to keep your water system running smoothly year after year. Worth a look if you want hassle-free installation, proven reliability, and water that tastes and looks better. Try the VIQUA 600-2805 UV lamp when you're ready to upgrade your system's heart and enjoy the benefits of truly treated water.